Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to completely apply clip art for furniture quests quickly and easily. First, make sure you already have a drawing board like this. If you don't have one yet, you can buy it from NPC Coaching. This one, this NPC. And then for this quest, you must prepare a piece of joinery furniture that available for clip art. So next, just tap on the brush icon and then just choose the joinery furniture that you want to design. For example, maybe I want to choose a joinery closet, this one. And then next, just tap on start painting, and then in here just start drawing anything that you like. You can draw freely with the pen like this, pen tools, and then you can also use a bucket tool or shape, or even you can also a stamp or a sticker templates that available on here like this. Just pick one and customize it however you like. For example, maybe I want to use a sticker tools like this. For example, like this. For example, like this. Just create it as you like, as you're creative, and then when you're done, just tap on save like this, and then go back. And then next, just go to your workbench, and then next, just tap on the craft icon, and then just craft the joinery closet that you want to design like this, and then just tap on craft. Like this, and then next just tap on the brush icon, and then just choose the furniture, and then just start dyeing, and then just apply the clip art designs like this, and then next just simply tap on confirm, and you're done. Your decorated furniture is ready, and the quest will be complete like this, and then next just simply go to the Mr. Bob and just complete the quest. And okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.